Christianity, the religion based on the teachings of Jesus Christ. Bible, the holy book of Christianity. Church, a building where Christians gather for religious services, prayer, talking to God. Jesus, the central figure of Christianity, believed by Christians to be the Son of God. Cross, the symbol of Christianity, representing the crucifixion of Jesus. Resurrection, the belief that Jesus rose from the dead. Crucifixion, the act of putting a person to death by nailing or binding them to a cross. Gospel, the teachings of Jesus and the story of his life and teachings. Faith, belief and trust in God. Heaven, the place where Christians believe they will go after death if they have lived good lives according to the teachings of Jesus and the immoral actions, thoughts, and intentions that are contrary to God's will. Savior, a title given to Jesus, emphasizing his role in offering salvation or redemption. Apostle, one of the 12 chief disciples of Jesus. Miracle, a surprising and welcome event that is not explicable by natural or scientific laws and is considered to be the work of divine agency. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. Christianity is a religion based on the teachings of Jesus Christ. 2. The Bible is a holy book that Christians read and follow. 3. I go to church every Sunday to worship with other believers. 4. Before bed, I say a prayer to talk to God and ask for help. 5. Jesus is believed by Christians to be the Son of God. 6. At church, we have a cross hanging on the wall as a symbol of Jesus. 7. The resurrection of Jesus is an important event in Christianity. 8. The crucifixion of Jesus is a sad part of the story. 9. The Gospel tells the story of Jesus' life and teachings. 10. Faith is having trust and belief in something greater than yourself. 11. When we die, we hope to go to heaven to be with God. 12. Sin is doing something wrong or against God's teachings. 13. Christians believe that Jesus is their Savior who will save them. 14. An apostle is someone who spreads the teachings of Jesus. 15. The miracle of Jesus turning water into wine shows his power.